How to pin a conversation on your Signal application. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to pin your conversation on your Signal application. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal, click on it, and for example, this is my group. All I need to do to pin this conversation is keep clicking on the screen and click on pin, which is the second option. And like you see now, I have pinned it, and under that I have my group, and the last conversation will be normal but not pinned. And this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.